Welcome students to the measurement part of our workpiece for the fitting job and also for the second experiment, that is the grinding operation. So in the video maybe it is not that much clear to you that how much dimension you should take. So here I am giving one clear view of the dimensions, required dimensions for our fitting job. So as I have told earlier, you will be provided with a workpiece or job that is of mild steel, made out of mild steel. So generally mild steel is a plain carbon steel, that means the low carbon steel workpiece, okay, which is having less hardness, and it is very convenient for machining purpose. We can do any kind of machining with this kind of mild steel specimen. Okay, so this is the initial dimension for the mild steel specimen what you will be provided with. So I have mentioned all dimensions are in mm. Okay, so definitely it is having a length of 75 mm, and this is the breadth of 50 mm and the thickness of 5 mm. So I have described you have to apply chalk over this mild steel specimen and then use a scriber, that is a marking tool. With the help of scale you have to mark on the mild steel specimen to the required dimension. So our required dimension is 70 mm by 45 mm by 5 mm. So thickness, there will be no change in thickness will be same, 5 mm 5 mm. Okay, so I have to reduce 5 mm of length, so from 75 to 70 mm. So I have to mark that thing with the scriber and a scale, and then I have to reduce the breadth also, that is 5 mm, that is from 50 mm to 45 mm. Okay, so I have to mark it, and then I have to fix that workpiece as you have seen in that video in a bench vise. And in that video you can see that bench vise having one fixed jaw, another is movable jaw. So once I rotate the wheel, that lever, that means I am just rotating the lever anti-clockwise, the movable jaw is coming apart from the fixed jaw. And again, if I want to tight the workpiece inside both the jaws, I have to rotate the lever clockwise direction. Okay, now after gripping the job or workpiece inside that vise, I have to do the filing operation. I have already described cross filing, draw filing, all the filing operation, use of smooth file, rough file. First you should use rough file and use cross filing process to remove more amount of material. So by that way we will be getting the final shape of 70 mm and then 45 mm, and as usual no changes in thickness, so that will be 5 mm. Okay, so that's all about the calculation regarding the dimension for the fitting job. Now what you can do, it will be like a homework. First you have to calculate the initial volume for this initial shape. That means you have to multiply this 75 into 50 into 5 mm, all these things you just multiply, you will get the volume. Okay, so initial volume you can name it as V1, and after the machining process, after the filing process, whatever the final value you are getting as the dimension, you have to multiply all these three things, then you will get the final volume, that is V2. Now if you subtract V2 from V1, then you will get the volume of material that has been removed, that has been removed. Okay, so volume of material that has been removed, you can find it out. Now if you want to find it out, the mass, that means how much mass has been removed. So we know a formula, that is rho or density is equal to mass by volume. Now if you want to find out the mass, you have to multiply the volume with the density, definitely you will get the mass. Likewise, for the initial volume you have to calculate the initial mass, and for final volume, that is V2, you have to calculate final mass. Then initial minus final, you will be getting the amount of material or the mass of the material that has been removed.